I hear you say, I don't need to do this. I'm good at these. Well, we all are, aren't we? Except we make it wrong. In 25 years, it's now 25 years I've been teaching 11 plus. And we've had counting out money like this for all that time. And not once has everybody in the room got them all right. Not once. And that's because we are all too tempted to do it in our heads, to take shortcuts, to make silly mistakes, to not use written workings. Just, do you know what my grandfather used to do? He was in the days when pockets are quite small now, but when he was growing up, and the style he stuck with all his life, coins were much bigger. They were much bigger, and pockets were more like sort of bags. I mean, they really were that deep. Inside, fairly sort of large trousers, which had pleats at the waist. So you had a good pocket, and gentlemen would keep their change in their pocket, and their wives would have to regularly fix the pockets because the weight of the coins would wear holes in them. So he would dive his hand in his pocket, jingle it around, and then say, how much is that? And you got about 2 seconds, and then you put it back out, put it on the, keep it. So you knew he wasn't cheating. And then you had to get it. I think my brother got within a penny once. I think that's a really good skill to be able to just be able to do that. I mean, my mum has always said poverty, a definition of poverty is knowing exactly how much money you've got in your purse. And I think we've all been there, haven't we? We all go through that at different stages in our life. And I think that's a nice, well, not necessarily a nice definition, but a good one. So you don't need fancy things, you don't need loads of adding up, but this is what I would recommend for it. 50 and 50 is £1, 20, 120, 130, 135, 140. So that's £1.40. Put in our pound sign, shall we? Now let's do this one. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, £1, £1 and 5. £1 and 5. Do like writing the pounds. I'm going to check every now and again because I've got the answers here and I do know how easy it is to get these wrong. In fact, I've been getting everything wrong sitting here today. Can you see I tend to start with the big ones first? There's no reason to. That's just what suits me. 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95. So that's 0.95. Or you could just write 95p. Let's do the next one. 50, £1, 150, £2, £2, 20, £2, 30, £2.30. Pound sign. Got it. Now let's do this. I do like the changing colours gradually as well. 50. Oh, hang on. I'm going to do. No, you see, thought I could do a quick shortcut here, and that is the path to the dark side. But I'm going to do 20, 20, and it makes 50. So 2 50s makes a pound. Am I allowed that? £1.20, £1.30, £1.35, £1.35. And if I get it wrong, you can laugh at me. But actually, I got away with it. Next one, 50, 70, 80, 90, 95. Another 95. We have 95 before. We have no coppers here, do we? Have you noticed? No coppers, no pounds. It's just the silver coins. But nonetheless, 50, 70, 90, £1, £1.10, £1.20. See, you don't need anything more fancy than that. Look what I did. Ooh, that wasn't good, was it? Teach me for showing off. Right, what you can do is if you're coming back to either use a different colour, but obviously in an exam you'll be using, just cross it the other way, like that. And then you'll be able to see. Or put a little squiggle under each one. Just being careful that your squiggles don't sort of join up different lines. Right, let's get rid of that. Thank you very much. See you soon.